Have you ever wondered how the world's most powerful and advanced harvesters are built? In this video, we'll dive into the complete manufacturing process of one of the most impressive machines in agriculture, the John Deere S790 combine harvester. From its massive cutting headers to its complex grain tanks, we'll show you how this colossal machine is made, ready to harvest the world's crops with precision and efficiency. Now that we've seen the overall scale of the John Deere S790, it's time to dive deeper into the construction of its main structure. The frame assembly is the foundation of the combine harvester, and it begins with the creation of the steel chassis. This vital structure will bear the weight of all the key components of the combine, including the engine, cutting header, and grain tank. The assembly process starts with heavy-duty machinery, cutting and welding steel beams into the precise frame specifications. These massive parts are carefully joined together by skilled welders and engineers, ensuring the frame is perfectly aligned and can handle the stresses of the field. As the frame takes shape, attention is paid to every detail, from the axles and wheels to the installation of the hydraulic systems that allow for smooth operation. The size and weight of the John Deere S790 require precision in every step of this process. The machine's frame must be strong enough to endure the harsh conditions of the field, from bumpy terrain to the weight of the harvested crops. Once the structure is in place, we can start integrating the more complex systems, but it all begins here, with the solid foundation of the frame. This part of the build is crucial, as it ensures the combine's durability and performance during long hours of operation. Every weld, bolt, and part is inspected for perfection, so the combine is ready for its next stages of assembly. As we move forward in the assembly of the John Deere S790, we turn our attention to one of the most important components of any combine harvester, the cutting header. This machine is designed to harvest crops efficiently, and the cutting header is the key to ensuring a clean and precise cut. The cutting header is carefully assembled using high-strength steel, with each blade being expertly installed. These blades are designed to move through the crops at high speeds, cutting them at ground level and feeding them into the combine. The feeding system that follows the header is equally important, as it ensures that the harvested material is efficiently transported into the machine's threshing system. This part of the process involves installing complex mechanical systems, such as feed chains, rollers, and augers, all designed to move the cut crops into the combine's threshing mechanism. The accuracy of the installation is critical to ensure that the system works flawlessly in the field, where speed and efficiency are paramount. Once the cutting header and feeding system are in place, the combine is ready for the next phase of its assembly, the addition of the grain tank, which will collect the harvested crop. But before that, these systems must be thoroughly tested to ensure they function smoothly and efficiently under real-world conditions. After the cutting header and feeding system are installed, it's time to move on to the next essential component of the John Deere S790, the cleaning system and the grain tank. The cleaning system is responsible for separating the grain from the straw and other debris, ensuring that only the best part of the harvest makes it into the tank. The cleaning system consists of multiple stages, including shakers, oscillating screens, and vacuum systems that work together to clean the grain. This system is designed to be both powerful and precise, using air and mechanical movement to separate unwanted materials. It's an intricate process, and it requires exacting precision in assembly to ensure that the combine operates with maximum efficiency. The grain tank is another key element. It's built to hold large quantities of grain, and it's designed to empty quickly and efficiently, allowing farmers to spend more time harvesting and less time unloading. The tank is integrated into the combine's frame and features a high-capacity unloading auger that can move grain at rapid speeds. The installation of these components requires skilled labor and exacting standards to ensure that the John Deere S790 delivers optimal performance in the field. Once the cleaning system and grain tank are in place, the combine is ready for the final stages of assembly. As we near the completion of the John Deere S790, it's time to install the electronic systems that control this advanced machine. The S790 combines cutting-edge technology with traditional mechanical power, and its electronics are what make it such a powerful, automated tool in the field. The installation of the electronic control systems begins with the central control panel, which will allow the operator to manage all aspects of the combine's performance, from the cutting speed to the cleaning efficiency. Sensors and cameras are also installed to monitor crop flow, fuel levels, and machine performance. These sensors are critical for ensuring that the machine operates at peak efficiency, with data being constantly collected and analyzed by the onboard computer system. After all electronics are in place, the combine undergoes a series of final tests to ensure that everything works smoothly. The machine is powered up, and the systems are calibrated for real-world conditions. Every feature, from the cutting header to the grain tank, is tested for performance and durability. Once the final tests are completed successfully, the combine is ready to hit the field, fully operational and optimized for harvesting. This is the moment when all the hard work and engineering come together to produce a machine capable of harvesting tons of crops with precision, speed, and efficiency. Now that the assembly of the John Deere S790 combine harvester is complete, we move on to the final stage, the field testing. This is where all the components, systems, and technology come together to ensure that the machine performs perfectly in real-world conditions. The field testing process is crucial, as it allows engineers to fine-tune the combine, ensuring that every part works harmoniously for maximum efficiency during harvest. The first step in field testing is a test run. The combine is taken to a field where engineers observe its operation, monitoring key functions such as the cutting header, feeding system, and grain tank. They check for smooth operation, proper feeding of crops, and that the cleaning system is efficiently separating grain from debris. Any adjustments needed are made on the spot, including tweaks to the speed of the blades, the height of the cutting header, and the grain unloading system. As the combine runs through the field, real-time data is collected from its sensors, which monitor things like crop flow, fuel consumption, and engine performance. This data is used to adjust the combine's settings for optimal harvesting conditions. During the test, the combine's electronic control system is also checked for accuracy, ensuring that the operator can easily manage and monitor the machine's performance from the control panel. Once the combine has successfully passed all field tests and fine-tuning, it's ready to go into full production. The S790 is now fully operational, prepared for the most demanding harvests. With its cutting-edge technology, robust design, and powerful systems, the John Deere S790 is ready to help farmers tackle their crops with efficiency, speed, and precision.